In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move rows and columns in Google Sheets, which is a fundamental skill for anyone working with spreadsheets. Whether you're organizing your data or simply prefer a different layout, shifting your rows and columns can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open up your Google Sheets document. If you don't already have one open, just navigate to your preferred Google Sheet file. If it's your first time, you can easily start a new sheet by going to sheets.google.com and selecting a blank sheet. Once your document is open, you're ready to begin rearranging your data. Let's talk about moving rows. Start by clicking on the number along the left side of the sheet. This number corresponds to the row you want to move. Clicking on it will automatically select the entire row. If you need to move multiple rows at once, hold down the Shift key as you click on the row numbers of all the consecutive rows you wish to move. Once selected, you'll notice your cursor will change to a hand icon when you hover over the row numbers. This is your cue to start dragging. Now, click on the row number and drag it to your desired location. As you drag, a gray line will appear, indicating where the row will land once you release the mouse button. Position the line at the spot where you want your row to be, and then release the mouse button to drop the row into its new location. This simple process will help you reorder your data with ease. Moving on to columns, the process is remarkably similar. Begin by clicking on the lettered column header at the top of your sheet. This action selects the entire column. For multiple columns, hold down the Shift key and select the range of columns you intend to move. Once selected, hover over the column header until your cursor changes to the hand icon. This means you're ready to drag. Much like with rows, click and hold the selected column header, and then drag your columns to their new location. The gray line will again guide you, showing exactly where the column will be placed. Once you're happy with the position, release the mouse button, and the column will snap into place. And there you have it. You've successfully moved rows and columns within your Google Sheet, allowing you to tailor the layout to better suit your needs. These tips should help you quickly organize your sheet exactly the way you want, whether you're preparing a report, rearranging data for better analysis, or just experimenting with different formats. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher on manipulating your Google Sheets.